little base here at the bottom of the steps. And then they want all this deck cleaned here. See, going up here. It's a Trex deck. See the handrail. Poles, obviously, thank goodness pickets don't need to be done. They're metal. The posts don't need to be done, but you can see the handrail's pretty dirty. And pretty good sized deck here. I'm just going to totally leave that furniture and we'll slide that around. Probably do the far side and then slide all the furniture over there and do the near side. So it's going to be a pretty good sized job here. It's going to be here for a little while. Mainly getting, it's got some algae and mildew on it, and it's just dirty. So you see I've got all the furniture moved over here on one side. What I'll do is just rinse everything off first. I'll get a little liquid on it. Then I'm probably going to hit it with a 2% mix. And we'll start on the steps first, make sure I don't get any reaction. Make sure everything works well. That typically works pretty good on this. Not terribly bad, so that should be plenty. In fact, I might even use a little bit less mix. I'll just, like I said, I'll experiment on the back steps and make a final determination. Good thing about using my proportioner, I can adjust it real quick if I need to. So what I've done is just wet down this lower little step here, and then this part right here. I'll make sure my mix is right, take care of the mildew. Just using my roof pump, my stainless nozzle on it, and I can control it real well. And while that's doing that, I'm gonna go up and just rinse off the top part. Okay, here's the tools I'm using. Got my trigger gun. Now on this, I'm using my M5 downstream nozzle for the 3 to 6 gallon size machine. This is what I usually use if I'm using my 4, even though I'm using my 8.5 a day. What this does, I found it gives me a little more pressure. Doesn't shoot as far. It makes a lot of mist at over about 25 feet, but it's good. I'll show it here in a minute. And then I've also got my adjustable wand here that if I need a little more pressure, I can use it. But just for rinsing it off, I'll just use my it's got pretty good pressure here. Just rinse some things off. As you see, it makes pretty good pressure. It's good for rinsing leaves off, little debris, stuff like that. These little squigglies off that fall on decks and stuff this time of year. Pretty good. Something like this, sometimes just plenty of pressure is all you need. This is before I put it sticks on the wall. And the thing about it, that's decent pressure, but it'll still draw soap, even though I'm not using it to draw soap this day. So makes it real nice for handrails, especially you get ones like this. Instead of having to mess with a dual one, I just run right along with this on the surface and I hit it. See here, it's been about 5 minutes. This has been dwelling. See, all the mildew's gone. It's cleaned it up nice. Even on that dirty little concrete stoop at the bottom there, cleaned it up pretty good. And I'll just use my wand on it instead of hauling my machine back around here. So anyway, it looks like it's going to work good. I'm going to rinse this off, and then assuming everything looks good, I'll start on the rest of it. So I've got it rinsed off now. Sucker looks like new. So, okay, I feel good about my mix. I'll get with it here. Okay, I've let it dwell about 7 or 8 minutes. You can see the difference already. I came on this line right across from the bottom of the step there. You can see where I sprayed and where I didn't spray, right across here. So even underneath that railing where it was really dirty before, already lightening up. Handrails looking good. Pretty much all the mildew and stuff. So I may be able just to hit it with my low pressure nozzle, but I might use a wand. It's just quicker sometimes. But still with it adjusted pretty low. But you can definitely see the difference where the mix has worked here. I can get the light right. Yeah. Okay, you can definitely see where I've cleaned and haven't cleaned. Turned out looks gorgeous. Got it rinsed, move the furniture back over on that side. Get ready to tackle this side, and I'll probably go ahead and do this in the steps same time. Okay, here we go. Here's the final product. See, they cleaned up really nice. It's a little wet. These trees is already getting some debris falling on it. Really looks like new.